Density columns are really pretty to look at. And what's better, the fact that they help explain a property of liquids, their densities. Density is defined as the degree of compactness of a substance and is calculated by dividing the mass of an object by its volume. So the formula of density is ρ equals m over v. By using the formula, we can infer the SI unit for density, kilograms per meter cubed. In this experiment, we will not be measuring densities. Rather, we will see what different densities do to substances and how the substances behave accordingly. So firstly, over here, we have dish soap, strawberry syrup, dyed water, vegetable oil, and some rubbing alcohol. In our empty measuring cylinder, we will first pour our dish soap, which is the second most dense liquid in our batch. We're pouring the second most dense first, as we want to see if a more dense liquid will mix with a less dense substance if poured on top of it. Dish soap has a density of 1,030 kilograms per meter cubed. Here's our first layer. Next, we pour our strawberry syrup, which almost has a density of 1,380 kilograms per meter cubed. And as we can see, because of the higher density and being poured diagonally, the syrup sinks under the dish soap and forms a layer right under it. You can see how the syrup sits neatly underneath the dish soap. Next up is our water, which we also add in caution. Water has the density of 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. Next, we have our vegetable oil, sunflower oil to be specific, which has a density of 930 kilograms per meter cubed. Here's our density column so far. And next we add rubbing alcohol, which has, next and lastly, we pour rubbing alcohol, which has the density of 786 kilograms per meter cubed. And that is our 5-tiered density column with ethanol, oil, vegetable oil, water, dish soap, and strawberry syrup. And now we will drop objects into our density column so that we can estimate their densities. First of all, we will add our screw, which we assume is the densest of all the objects and the liquids. And it has been proved by the fact that the screw dropped all the way down. And you can see it in the bottom of the beaker. Next, we add our olive, which sinks to sit right on top of the strawberry syrup. Then we add our water bottle cap, which sits on top of the vegetable oil. And then we have a chocolate wrapper. We meant to find an object with a density smaller than ethanol. However, because the object had been contaminated by dish soap, we had failed to do that. So that is it, our 5-tiered density column for our physics project. Thank you very much.